Have you ever wondered how some people accumulate massive wealth without flaunting it? Today, we're going to reveal the secrets that millionaires don't want you to know. One of the biggest misconceptions about millionaires is that they live lavish lifestyles. In reality, many millionaires choose to live modestly, saving their money for future investments and financial security. Millionaires understand the incredible power of compound interest. By starting to invest early and letting your money grow over time, you can accumulate wealth without the need for excessive income. Millionaires are often financially literate. They understand how money works, the importance of investing, and the risks associated with debt. By investing in your financial education, you can make informed decisions and build wealth. Millionaires are often willing to delay gratification. They prioritize saving and investing over immediate spending, understanding that the rewards will be greater in the long run. Building strong relationships can be invaluable for wealth creation. Networking can lead to new opportunities, partnerships, and valuable advice. Millionaires often have a growth mindset. They believe in their ability to achieve financial success and are willing to take calculated risks. They also have a strong sense of self-discipline and perseverance. By understanding and applying these principles, you can take a significant step towards building your own wealth. Remember, it's not about how much money you make, but how you manage it. So, what are you waiting for? Start your journey to financial freedom today. Subscribe now for more financial tips and advice.